Hello. Welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I have here some more things that I should be able to test. For example, here is a Vic-20 power supply. It's an original one. It is. It's all wound up. Well, I think this is one maybe I sent away to Rudy, but he said he figured I should take it back, test it. So, this power adapter, it just has two prongs. I know you can't see that well, I just plugged it in, but it's all wound up. And it should be easy to test because there's nothing I should be able to screw up on this, I think. So, hang on. Let me get my glasses. If I can get this stupid thing open. There we go. Let us make sure that we are properly set. So, voltage. Okay, so I guess we need to be set on the 20. And we are plugged in. I want to have this where I can see it. Or hopefully I can reach over here. And hopefully I don't feel any smoke or flames. But basically the idea behind this is I should be able to stick this in here. Always ready to take it out in a hurry. And it should tell me if there's anything happening here. Ah! What a time for the snooze alarm to go off. So I see nothing. So I'm going to put it in the other way. Let's see if anything seems to be registering. Now, am I on the right thing? I've not really used this meter much. There's resistance. Voltage AC has a little swirl. Voltage DC. And I was on the right one. I'm on 20. And I didn't see anything. Yeah, it says DC. Now, I'm in the right pole. Volts, ohms, milliamps. And the other one, yeah, this should be okay. Hello, Andrew. I'll be down in a couple of minutes. So I'm going to try this again. I'm going in. I'm going deep. And I see nothing. So once again, I will switch these. And I see nothing. So, I guess it is safe to assume that it's dead. So, what did I just unplug? Let me just check here. Oh, I unplugged the light. No, there's the thing. Okay. I'll test this one more time. But I think it's dead. Now, the only use this could have would be for somebody who might need the cords, or if someone was putting together some, like, just display in a, yeah, it's dead. A display in a, like a museum thing or inside a, like a display case. So it's funny, it doesn't look too bad, but it is not working. So where is, there's a Sharpie. I have it right on the bottom. But once again, for somebody who might have one that is in distress for parts, maybe, possibly. I'll just set that down there. Okay. What else do we got here? All right, meter, go away. Now, what else do we have here? Got a Commodore 64 power supply. And it's a white one. We will give it a whirl. We'll plug it into the reader, the meter, and it comes up at 5.20. And it's interesting. Yep, it's funny. I guess I've already written on this one 5.20. So now the thing to do, because we're here, oh, what a tangled mess. What a tangled mess. Is take this 64 is turned off, plug it into the 64, and the video cable is not attached. And I'll plug it in, or I'll turn the monitor on. And turn it on. And it doesn't give me any weird noises. And it seems to be okay. It does. So this one, I will turn this off. I will unplug. I will find where the cable goes. And yes, I could test it further to make sure that it is happy. And I suspect I will, but for this moment, oh my God, how can cords be so wound up in everything? Maybe I will do the cord winding, and I will put them in the pile. Oh, there's a danger. Something has chewed on this. Oh dear, 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 dear. That is not good. Well, this may be a time that one of the other wires that I've chopped off of other supplies may come in handy, or maybe it's just time for some electrical tape. I will see about that. Yeah, I don't know why mice and other such things say, hey, that might be good. It might be, because generally it's not. Really didn't get much out of that, but I suppose that could slightly affect how well things might work. I don't know. I can't help to have some of the copper missing. All right. Oh dear, what's this? Have we got wires tangled? Is this a whole other, yeah, that's from the other power supply. Okay. All right, let's wind this. Pull it. Fold it over. Pull this out. Fold it over. And wind it up. And then when we get done, pop it through the hole, and there. Da-da-da-da. This may be, of course, one that I decide that I'll keep because of the trouble with the wiring. Anyway, I'm not going to toss this. I'm going to set it here, and when I'm done, I'll set it over there. What else do we have here? Oh, we have a power cord. This would go to all sorts of things, like 1541. or perhaps 4040. And of course, I don't have any of that here at this second. So I'll put that in the box of things to test. What else? Oh, that's the monitor cable. What else do we have here from this latest batch? Oh, another. This is more like this gray one. That's pretty much what came with the 1541. If you want to be accurate, when you're selling a 1541, send them with a gray one. All right, is there anything else here that I have forgotten? So I guess I can turn the monitor off. And I should put this from Rudy's Retro Intel back into the bin. And that's it for now. So I'm going to gather more stuff, look through more stuff, test more stuff. I suppose what I should really do is head to the garage, grab as many data sets as I could find, and do a whole big thing on data set testing. Of course, I mean, they all sort of, they rewind. The two that I checked earlier, they rewind and all that. But I suppose I really need to check them on more than one machine if they don't work. Because what if there's trouble in this machine? It doesn't like the data set. Anyway. Oh. Well, that's it. That's all. Hang on. Oh, that's off. That's on. There we are. Back to flashing. Yeehaw. All right, we'll see you again soon. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.